What's going on, guys? These next couple of videos I'm dropping are actually going to be a little, I'll be honest, they're going to be a little bit uneventful. I went up to a lake that I haven't been to since I was like 13, 14 years old, something like that. I don't know. 26 now, so, do the math. Went out there just trying to get some knowledge, get an idea on what the fish are biting on, seeing if we can see some fish, seeing what's going on, just really just a knowledge trip. Definitely got some knowledge. Found out there's a couple of nice little areas, a couple of nice points that I liked. So next time I go back, I'm definitely gonna hit those points up with some more lures. Um, I actually wasn't by myself this trip either, so that's why I didn't really stay too long. And then, you know, stuff happens, but it is what it is. Definitely, if you guys know the lake, let me know in the comments. Other than that, like and subscribe. Have a great day. Oh, bye. Doing some fishing at Lake Louise here in Colorado, down in Westcliff, Colorado to be exact. Definitely gonna try for some pike and muskie. But like that bass, trout, really off the dog's taking anything. I can't catch it. I can catch it. I will catch it. I'll be happy to know how to catch me on it, but I definitely want a pike or a muskie, that's for sure. We'll change up the lure and we'll put that back.